Hello everybody, welcome on into another video on FLS Online. Today's a special day. I mean, I'm going to be doing something very simple project, okay? It's garden soil and mulch, okay? Redoing some flower beds. Now the customers, they're retired, they're pretty old, and they were not able to do the entire project all at once. So what they asked was for me to do one flower bed every month. So they wanted me to do one flower bed today, another flower bed next month, so on and so forth. They have I believe 6 flower beds. So there were 5 different companies that priced them up, and they clearly said that they couldn't afford to do the entire project. So I rose up my hand and I said, you know what, I'll help you out. I'll do what you're asking for. I'll only do one flower bed tomorrow. I spoke with them yesterday. I'll do one flower bed tomorrow, and then another month I'll do the other one, just like you're saying. Now what they don't know is that I'm going to be doing the entire project for free, even though they think they're going to be paying for the single flower bed in the front yard. They're retired, they need help, and I'm able to do that. So today, once I get there, I'll show you guys what needs to be done, and then I'll do a little bit of videos here and there, then I'll show you guys the outcome. And hopefully they allow me to record their reaction at the end. I will see you guys in just a while. Stick around. Alright. So, got the mulch, got rich mixed soil, and, well, these are the little flower beds. We're going to do the tree. We're doing that other tree. Need to kind of remake a little trench on these. Probably trim a little bit on the tree just to make it look a little bit better. But we're going to be doing all of this, doing some new soil on it, taking care of these. Have to redo the little pavers, maybe do a little trench, and then this side, I have to clean it up adequately, and then there's some at the back, but we'll move back there once I'm done up front. Let's get started.
Back in the day. Back in the day. day. Back in the day. Back in the day.
All right, now let's look and see how we did. Got the tree. Got the other tree. And look at these beautiful flower beds now. Did 4 inches of rich garden soil, and we did some hardwood mulch on top of it. It's about 1.5 inches worth of it. And unfortunately, I got caught trying to work at the back, and they're back home. So they didn't let me go back there. They actually put a lock on the gate. So try to do a good deed. Hopefully next month they give me a thumbs up, and I'll just do it for free, and I'll do a follow-up. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.